Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you on to my channel, man. I do not know if you've heard or seen, actually seen this about this marriage that lasted 9 days. Check this out. Check this out.
Hallelujah. Ngiyabingelela egameni lika Jesu waseNazaretha. Hallelujah. Bingelela basekhaya egameni lika Jesu kaZulu. Bingelela umama baba. Ngibingelele umama wami ongizalayo. Ngibingelele umndeni wasekhaya wonke nomndeni wonke okhona. Egameni lika Jesu nabazalwane bonke nje egameni lika Jesu. Amen. Hallelujah. Unomthandaza kaZulu isibongo ngisindisiwe uJesu inkosi. Amen. Hallelujah. Ngithanda ukubonga nje, ngithanda ukubonga uNkulunkulu. Hallelujah. Kimi ngigcwele umhlabelela ukuthi Jesu ngizolibongela kini. Hallelujah. Ngoba igama lakhe lingafani namanye amagama. Sanibona nezalwane. Uma ulibize lakhe igama kudaleka okuningi. Hallelujah. Uma ngizwe ngaGenesis wadala konke ngezwi lakhe. Hallelujah. Kusho khona ukuthi elakhe igama lifani nelethu. Hallelujah. Thina elithi igama lisuke liphule endleleni, lisuke lilimaza abantu endleleni, kodwa elakhe igama. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kuze kuthi kimi kugcwele isibongo, angazi ukuthi ngambonga ngithini uNkulunkulu. Hallelujah. Umdala wezinsuku wempilo yami. Hallelujah. Akukho esengikubonile ongangisusa kuNkulunkulu. Hallelujah. Nje uyisiphephelo sempilo yami. Hallelujah. nje kimi kube ngazuthi mangathi ngibonga uNkulunkulu kuze kube sekuphelele konke. Hallelujah. So ngenxa ukuthi we are people, I have to say ngiyabonga. Amen. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu bazalwane. Amen. Bengasilula, bengasimnandi and akusihlakanipha nokwazi kwami. Hallelujah. Kungase ukuthi siyakhona kodwa kumamandla esiwathola kuNkulunkulu. Sanibonani bazalwane. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uthi uyosinikeza amandla. Hallelujah. Sometimes siyasho ukuthi sinamandla kodwa wethu amandla suka phele endleleni. Hallelujah. Kodwa kaNkulunkulu akapheli. Kungakho izwi lakhe lithi yena ungu-alpha ungu-omega. Hallelujah. Wayekhona ekuqaleni namanje usekhona futhi kuzogcina yena. Hallelujah. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu bazalwane. Ngikho konke asenzele khona nomyeni wami. Hallelujah. Asiqhube ukuze sizofika kule ndawo. Hallelujah. Bekufungiwe bekushilo ukuthi angeke sifike kodwa sebahlulekile. Sanibonani bazalwane. No ngiyamtshela uSathane ukuthi uSathane uhlulekile. Hallelujah. No sengenze ngiyeqile ibreak. Hayi sanibonani bazalwane. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu bazalwane ukuthi usigcine safika la. Ngithanda ukubonga nakibuma ukusikhasa ngikho konke sidlule kikho. Hallelujah. I know ukuthi yiba bazikabanzi ukuthi bekunjani. Hallelujah. Thanda ukubonga noma mami. Hallelujah. Ngikho konke adlule nakho kimi. Hallelujah. It's not easy bazalwane. Hallelujah. Kodwa ngenxa yomusa kaNkulunkulu izwi lithi umhlabelelo ukuthi siyaqinwa noma abantu bengathini. Hallelujah. Uchasela kabanzi ukuthi abantu vele bayakhuluma bazosho ukuthi bathini kodwa siyaqinwa. Hallelujah. Ngibonga ukuthi abe nesineke uma hallelujah aze kusifike kule ages kiyo. Amen. Ube uma waphinda waba ubaba. Hallelujah. Wasigcina. Hallelujah. Ngibonga umusa nje ukuthi asibekezelele azange lahle ithawula. Hallelujah. Nanoma kuza lo msebenzi waba nami until ekugcineni. Amen. Amen bazalwane. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngani ukuthi angigcinele mina nonke bazali bami egameni lika Jesu. Amen. Thanda ukubonga nezidroyi zami. Hallelujah. Nanoma nje okhunye kunande ngibahashinyana but bekuyisimo, but I really thank you guys. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngani ukuthi ningibekezelele. Hallelujah. Ngiphinde ngibonge bazalwane nani nonke. Amen. Ukuthi nize nizofeza ilanga lethu ukuthi liphumelele. Hallelujah. Bengeke ngishade sethu nje kuphela bese vele siboreke. Amen. Esikumnandi njani ukuthi abantu bese bazobukela. Cala nje ngicale mina sithu kuphela. Mehlumaneni so. Okumnandi like another thing. Hallelujah. Fana nomntwana momthengele impahla like ufuna umtshele every day ukuthi yo umuhle. Mina ngilobona ngitshela ukuthi ngimuhle like yeah. Abantu nobheka ngilungisa kaningi so. Hallelujah. So bazalwane anyway ngiyabonga kakhulu konke nikwenzile empilweni yami angeke khona ukunibala nga-1 hallelujah. uNkulunkulu nje anandisele konke la ngithethe khona nokusuka kude la ngisuka khona. uNkulunkulu angigcine anivikele nala niya khona andisele la nifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu anandise nje. Hayi kosanibonani bazalwane. Nebandla lase-GGM guys, you will always be in my heart. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Nibaphathe kahle abaholi. Amen. Nami ngizobaphatha kahle. Ngiyavalelisa. Amen. uNkulunkulu anigcine nonke. Ngiyathanda nonke bazalwane. Amen.
Umakathala endleleni unika amandla ngidluleke Jesu kimi akasoze angitele umakathala endleleni unika ngihlabelela uma ngikhathala endleleni unginika amandla uJesu kimi akasoza ngidela bazalwane cishe sakhathala endleleni kube besinganayo uJesu kithi ngabe safela endleleni. If we had all the time besizanazisa kokunye nokunye ukuthi uSathane usidlulisele kokunye kwabankulunkulu asidlulisa ukuthi sisazane kangcono. So I'm not going to waste time bazalwane, but I'd like to thank everybody. Ngithanda ukubonga bazalwane.
For me, personally, I will not lie to you. Nam emshadweni or even in a relationship. Yes, I've never been married before, but mina ngihlale ke nami. Makuba umbhedo angeke ngihlala nje afuna ungiqambela amanga. Mina nje divorce will always be an option for me. If I'm not happy, I'm not sticking around. The thing is that even with me even having to get to that point where I want to get married, I don't think I'll ever get lapho if we are not vibing, we are not my priorities ethu when it comes to, or when it came to a relationship yethu, we're not aligned. You understand? Nami nje, I'll just drop it and quit it. Even this 9 days thing, for me nanje, it was like, oh, okay. I've never heard, oh, this thing, yenzeka vele, you understand? I just had this thing, mina nami if I would get married, and because sometimes they do say, umuntu uyashintsha masenishadile and stuff like that. Mina fuqoba amanga, my advice is for you to change if maybe something happened to me, like I pass away or something like that. But if I'm still alive and you are with me in that relationship and you think you're going to change, mina, you'll be divorced within a split second. I'm not a strict person. I'm actually a fun person, man. And I don't have pride. I'm humble and all of that. But once I start sensing things which, no, man, I do not like this. I so divorced. Now, with this particular video, I even saw on TikTok, this guy, he had posted a video of him and his wife, or his ex-wife. Now they were in front of the church and he was the one who was talking. But let me speak about the second video where I think they had already been married at that point. They were wearing, I think, brown. They looked nice, even though that thing this guy had on his head, this Zulu crown, what, that is made out of boya I don't know if imbuzi or ingom. Hi, then guys, just because we are good tradition or anything, it doesn't mean you must always put it. It just did not fit. It did not fit. The color of the outfit and that thing, it was just clashing. Even I'm also speaking to people who also do this thing, just because next month, sisazogoba into enzozigoba yona le nto nzogoba lama outfits wenu bese nifaka nalento ekhanda ingameshi nje kube kubi bakubi nje. Understand? So a thing that just ticked me off was the caption, or what was written on the video that he also posted, allegedly I'll say that, where he was saying that listen to her speaking, not knowing that she was only going to last 9 days. That was childish. Because the way I posted ngakhona, it was also as if he was throwing shade to this girl and her family. Because when people get divorced, the way ngibuka ngakhona manje, it's as if the man yena uyahypheka up like yeah ndoda isikhokho, and then umuntu wesifazane kuba like you lost what. No, because the way this guy was acting with that video, how I saw it was as if we're like okay, we do not know the full story, what happened and stuff like that, but what was the reason for him having to even post a video with that caption? Another thing, it does give me LGBT vibes, this guy. I will not lie to you, he does give me those vibes. Nje, mayloke the few gestures and stuff like that, I was like, And okunye uyambona ukuthi it's as if the wife is reserved and with him uyuma papios in the relationship and stuff like that. I honestly did not see the reason of why he posted, and even having to post that caption kanjalo ukuthi she did not know that she was only going to last 9 days. Like it's as if he had planned like ukuthi he's only doing this but for what bad reason? Because these days people do anything to trend and whatever, and they do not care ukuthi what do they have to do in order for them to be trending and whatever. But as long as if they get what they want, they will do it. You understand? Coming up with this, I was like, he was supposed to say we did not know that we are going to last 9 days in this relationship, and not make it seem like the woman is the one or luzile in. No, it's both of them. But if it was Uguti, he had planned all of this. Unfortunately, my sister. Yeah. And another thing that I'm also thinking, Uguti, you do not really lose. Yes, this did happen and all of that. However, God actually saved you from heartaches and whatever turmoil you are going to encounter within that marriage. Yes, you will be shy, you will be embarrassed, you'll be locking yourself inside the house, scared to go out, to be seen by people and whatever. But one thing I'll tell you that God, everything happens for a good reason. God knows why he took you through this. You understand? So, another thing, it's also, I'm asking myself, with you, do these people also go to the same church? Do they also stay in the same community? My sister, be strong. There's nothing wrong with you if you do not do anything, if you do not cheat, and you do not lie. You are honest. You did your part. I always say, good, in a relationship, always do your best. Always give it your all, so that when you break up with someone, or when that union that you have with that specific person ends, when that person starts coming to you, good, it's not you, it's me. I am totally available to you. I mean, I give it my all. And another thing, it's also best and wise for someone to like you. I almost said to love you for who you are. And be it good they do not like you for who you are, because maybe this is too much for them, or whatever the case might be, for them to end up having to end the relationship or whatever. So if my sister, you did your part, congratulations, shout out to you. Hang in there, God still loves you. People always talk, as you said on that video, even now, allegedly, they'll still talk. Yeah. And with the church thing, if you feel like it's too much for you, go and attend another church. If you and him are attending the same church. And yeah, until Mhlamba feel good or so strong or whatever, but this kind was just childish for me. Even when he was making, I'll put this other video where he was talking about the veil. I was bored again up. Umuntu ofuna ukulokhu ekhuluma, but nale nto ayikhuluma yanizwa ukuthi uthini umngane. I was just going to be bored lapho as kuthi enye into it's different if umuntu umthanda, but nanokunye ukuthi mina-ke ayi these days uthando unothando, if ngibona ukuthi ayi wena athi uyanginyela kancane, hayi, you understand? So yeah man, I was bored nje. So yeah, that's that.